Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Samsung Galaxy A25. Alright guys, so one thing that you have to do if you have bought new cell phone is you have to check the IMEI number guys. And the reason is to prove whether our email number is registered or not and to prove whether our cell phone is genuine or not. Okay, now go to settings menu and then you can scroll down until the bottom guys. And then now you can go to about phone and then you can scroll down a little bit. So yeah, now you can see and you can check the email number of your slot 1 or slot 2 guys. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to check email number on Samsung Galaxy A25, and thank you so much for watching.